Hi everyone, my name is Suzan Mtsweni. I'm the founder of Ijubanokhobe. And what motivated me to start this business is because I saw the economy at my place in Gwandebele. Gwandebele is growing very fast. Gwandebele is changing. Gwandebele is no longer like before. The people who are like in middle class now, who grown up in Gwandebele, they are taking Johannesburg back to Gwandebele. So I saw that opportunity, and I realized that our Ndebele culture is starting to be expensive, and there's an opportunity for business in Ndebele culture. That's when I decided, after I realized that there was a woman who painted the BMW in Ndebele painting, and then I took it from there. I'm like, in my mind I was doing champagne, so I was like, this is an opportunity. As Ndebele, let's celebrate Esther Mahlangu by having the champagne and show the people that Ndebeles can do things. So there's a lot of economy at Gwandebele. It depends on the people's mind and brain. I'm selling cranberry gin and tonic, and I'm launching Ijubanokhobe champagne. Okay, I realized that there's an opportunity in Africa. So I realized that people can start having their own brand, local brand. Then that's when I did mine, and I did it in Ndebele because I'm proud of it. I will go far with it. I will go abroad with it because I know that people will love it. Currently, people are crazy. It is selling like hot, fat cook, what they say. So they'll enjoy it. The taste is good. People can access my product. Number one, you can find it at Macro online. Number two, you can find it online again at our website, which is www.ijubanokhobe.co.za, and or else you can send a WhatsApp to 067 2252731. That's where you can get our products. Hi, my name is Suzan Mtsweni. I am a township entrepreneur.